Hello there. Every 2 or 3 years we buy 6 cords of wood, but this year we bought 12 because our wood guy, who we love, is getting a little older and we're not sure how much longer he'll be doing this. Since we're going to be dealing with 12 cords, we thought we should up our game a bit and try to make the process more efficient and easier on our backs. I used a total of 13 pallets for this setup, and it can be easily moved to wherever we want to work. When the splitting is all done, we can use the pallets for something else or cut them up for kindling. With this setup, I can roll the rounds onto the splitter, and the splits land in an area where they can be loaded into the bucket of the tractor, all without bending over. I have seen some pretty fancy setups for splitting wood. Our system is about as simple as it gets, and our little splitter is slow, but it serves us well. Three cords done, 9 to go. Thanks for watching, and take care.